Hello, all. Welcome you again in the live session. And today's live session is very, very special for all of us, as we all are Indians, and it's 15th August near to us, and it's really very exciting for all the Indians. I can understand the feelings because I am always feeling like, wow, it's Independence Day. It's, giving goosebumps. And every time I feel like, oh, I love my India. So that's what today we are going to present. We are going to celebrate Independence Day today. And like we are going to make a project based on Independence Day because I know lots of students are giving assignments from the school side or from somebody else somewhere else. Even this project you can share with your friends, family, your teachers, so they will definitely enjoy to see that project. And as we all know that Independence Day is a very special day for us, like especially for Indians it's really special. So on Independence Day, actually, we are not only thinking about the past, but also look forward to the future, where we can continue to grow and make more, like make our country even better. So definitely, it's all about tech things. Instead of making normal cards like you made on the occasion, you can definitely create a kind of game and you can share with your friends. They will be very happy to see that. So let's not doing any delay, and I'm going to show you what we are going to make today. So let me share my screen with all of you. Before that, I really want to see how many of you join us, and I want all of you as say happy Independence Day. So please do comment in the comment section as happy Independence Day, all of you. Hi Gauri, hi Manju. Students, you can even write your names there. And now I'm going to share my screen. So I hope the screen is visible for all of you, and I'm going to play the project that we are going to make. So let's start. Yeah, that's really good feeling, I think, because I am getting it. So that's what we are going to make today, students. And the things that we require for making, I think you can take online. Even we have a blog, and I think there is a link given in the description that you can find for the sprites and all things. I will let you know. Do not worry about that. So let's start making this. So I'm going to share my screen first. Let me tell you what you're going to do in the new tab. You are going to type pictoblocks.ai. And when you type this, you can see the platform like this. You can come with the block coding, and what you need to do next is that here you need to take the sprite, like the picture of that particular sprite. Okay, I will send you the picture in the chat box. Like, first of all, we will take some pictures of the sprite as Hazel, John, and Toby. As you all saw in the beginning, there were three sprites indicating a particular words presentation. So I'm taking Hazel. The next sprite, I will select John, and the next sprite I will select Toby. So first I took all three sprites. What you can do is you can convert all these sprites as in a form of symbols. Till then, I'm sending you the flag link so that you can all download the flag. Otherwise, you can search on Google and you can have the animation. But don't worry, I will send you the link for that particular part. Just wait for 2-3 minutes. Till then, other students also join us. Everyone, please write Happy Independence Day. Those are coming. So I'm sharing a link with you all. Okay, I have sent one link with all of you. You can simply download this link and you can take all flag pictures there. As a background picture, you can take any other background picture, whatever you wish to take. So once you have the folder of this link, you will get the costume of this flag. Okay. Okay, I have sent one link with all of you. You can simply download
Just
this link
wait.
and you can take all flag pictures there. As a background picture, you can take any other background picture. Okay, it plays that video. So sorry for that. Okay, the next thing that what we are going to do is first I want to hide this sprite. I don't want to show this sprite here. So I will just click on hide. And this is my Hazel. I need to costume the Hazel. I will put Hazel here. I will put Toby here and John here. But for that, I want to arrange this on a flag. So Hazel must be here, Toby must be here, John must be here. Okay, that's cool. Now, what next is I want Hazel should be in saffron color. So what I will do is I'll just go here and I will do copy this and I'll come to Hazel's page and I paste it here because I need to take the color for my Hazel sprite. And now I will go to the fill option, go with color picker and select this color. Now I will take this fill option and I'm just putting it on my Hazel sprite. Uh, like this way. Let me zoom in little bit. Okay, and I want nine. Chalo, that's fine. That's fine. And this one will be like this. Okay, that seems cool. And this is my Hazel. And the same way I need to color my Hazels right. So I'll simply come over here. Let me minus this. And I will go to the arrow, just click on this, do copy, come here and paste it because I want this same color. So I just take this color and I'm filling it in the Hazel's costume. That's fine. Here, I'm just giving little contrast to the costume. That's why somewhere I leave the skirt's color like this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just minimize this. I click on the arrow. I will delete this part that I took and this part also I'm going to delete. Now the same thing, I will go with a John. So John indicates the green color. So I have to pick the green color from the flag, exactly same green color. So I'm just taking this. I'll do copy. I will come to John's page and I do paste here. But where it's going to paste? Yeah, here it is. Okay, and I'm going to delete one and this one is here. So what next is I'll go to color picker, like this paint box color picker. I will select the color and I fill the color to John like this way. And I want to color the hair a little bit. And let's scroll down, this one and this one. The same thing I'm going to do with this also. And the next also. You will also do in the same way. And this one also. And this I'm going to delete. This I don't want, so it's fine. I want this much only. And this I will delete. Now let's come to the Toby's part. So for Toby's part, what I want is I'll just go to the backdrop again and I'll pick this color. I do copy. I will come on the Toby's page. I will paste this here. Now the next part is I will take this and go to the color picker and I'll pick the color. So this color I pick and I'll fill it. And now I will pick the white color for Toby. So let me make his face white like this and like this and like this and like this. Ooh, that's cool. Now the same thing I will do. Like this time I'll make the glasses white. Okay, first I will fill the white color and this time this one, glasses, and this I'm going to delete. That's fine. Now I will select this color. I'll do copy, I'll do paste and go to the fill option. Take the color picker and we'll take this. So I'm just filling the color. That's fine. And coming here, that's fine. We'll come here. We'll come here. Okay, that's cool. Now what I'm going to do, I will delete this all. Okay, I think you have done this much. Now what next is I want to write some symbols here. Like for the Hazel, I'm going to write a symbol as like a word as freedom, and Hazel actually indicates the freedom. So my all sprites are indicating something. So I'm going to write with the Hazel and let's come on Hazel's part. I will take the text and the text color I'll put as black color because it can highlight. And here I will write freedom. And this I will convert it into like this way, and that's cool. Now what I'm going to do, I will select this complete part because I need to copy paste to like every place. So I'll do copy, I will paste here, I will paste here, I will paste here. Okay, so freedom is done. Now the next part is, let me put this John here and Toby here. So for Toby, the symbol that I am going to indicate is, I think I can indicate for Toby as a peace, uh, strength. Okay, let's indicate the strength as a symbol. So I will write strength for the Toby. So here I will take text, and this time the color I will pick is little bit this one. Sure, let's take, or we'll take a black color, simple. Chalo, simple black color we will take it. It should be, everything has to be same. So I pick strength and I'm just moving this here, and we'll do copy, paste. Let's see who will do faster. Is like I am doing, and those are a little bit slow. They can simply move the video. Okay. Like they can back the video, pause the video, and then they can watch like this way. So strength is actually not that visible, though. Let me change the color of strength. So I think now it is visible. Yeah. If I'm making it नहीं white तो बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रहा, but this color is fine. This color is fine, so I will pick this color only. So let me copy this, paste this, paste, paste, and paste. Oh, sorry. Let me do undo. Come here and paste. Okay, so I paste all of the costume with strength. Now let's come here. So for the John, the code we do for the piece. Okay, so yeah, I think for John we can do this code only. Okay, so no, I will do pride. So basically I have to complete the word like freedom in the mind, strength in the words, and pride in our souls. Okay, so I will write pride for John. Now let me come over here, and with John, let me take white color, and I will write pride. And yeah, it's visible properly, that's why I took white color. And now what I'm going to do is I will simply do copy, I'll pick the arrow, paste, 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 and paste. Okay, so all my sprites are done like this way. Now let's come on to the part of Hazel's code, because Hazel is going to start, when she has to enter. So I want to give Hazel a position. First of all, like when she starts, she has to stand on a particular position. So I will say like when green flag click, I will take go to X and Y for the Hazel, and any costume she can take, it's all right. And I want to switch the backdrop, so I will take switch backdrop as, let me check which backdrop is it. So I want this India backdrop for Hazel initially. So where I did the code then. Acha, okay. Let me paste this here. I don't want to write for John. It's for Hazel. Okay. Just make sure you should click on that particular sprite, Hazel. And here you can also see Hazel so that you are writing for the Hazel. It's clear. So it's like switch backdrop to India. And the next is Hazel has to run little bit. And what I want is that this backdrop should be little bit this side. So let me do convert to bitmap. I'm just selecting this and moving it this side little bit. Okay, so that Hazel has time to reach a little bit. Now what I want is that Hazel has to move, has to walk. So for making her walk, which block should we take? Can you reply quickly? I want which block make my sprite to move. So I will take repeat block. Okay, and now I will take next costume. I'll go to control. I will take wait block, and she has to wait for 0.3 seconds. And she has to move also so that she'll walk. So let's see. Hey, what? Oh, what? Cha, cha, cha. Because initially it was the code for John. So for Hazel, the X is minus 190 and the Y is 119. Okay, so that's what. Now if I start, so Hazel will come over here. Okay. Now what next part is that I want after Hazel, the Toby will come. So for that, I will be writing down the code. I will be making the broadcast basically. So broadcast is a kind of message that we can create for each other. So that's why I'm making one message and this message is for Toby. So I will write Toby and click OK. Now I will say that when I receive Toby, then oh, not. It should be on Toby's page. So let's come on the Toby's page. And when I receive Toby, like when there is a broadcast Toby come, then the backdrop switch to that Indian flag backdrop. Okay, that's what I want. So we'll come over here. I will take when I receive Toby, and initially I want my Toby to hide. Okay. So I will take when green flag click, the Toby has to hide. When I receive Toby, then the backdrop switch to here. Let me check. The backdrop switch to this one. Okay. So let me come on Toby page. This is a screenshot, like the picture is saved like this way. And I'm taking go to X and Y position. Toby also has to walk. So Toby is repeating sometime that will be same code, next costume, and wait for some seconds. That will be 0.3 seconds. It's waiting. And in the motion, it will move for 10 steps. Okay, so when Toby receive, let's see. See, Toby is creating the animation. But I want कि वो यहाँ तक जाए, right? तो उसके लिए let me increase the step for the Toby and see. तो इसको I will make 12. मैं इसको 12 कर देती हूँ, ठीक है? Good. This is done. उसके बाद से हम क्या करेंगे? I'll just copy this block to here. ठीक है? तो मुझे बार बार नहीं लेना पड़ेगा broadcast block. I can take broadcast here and I did copy ना, तो कहीं तो होगा. क्यों नहीं आया? अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. I will take then. So I'll come over here. I will take the broadcast block and after Toby, who will come? Can you tell anyone? I want your answers after Toby, who will come? So for whom I will create the broadcast? Quickly, I want answers. So I will make the broadcast for John. Okay, now let's come on the John page. So definitely the same command I'm going to write, and this time what you can do is, first of all, you need to show your Toby also, right? So you will take show block also. What you are going to do, you will hold a block, you can duplicate it with the John. When you check, okay, I can see. Now for John, this block you can hold again, because the same thing your sprites are going to do. And here the broadcast you will change into John. Screen, like the backdrop, it's fine. It's already given, so I am just removing this. And here you will check the position of your John. So the position my John sprite is -190 and -119. That's what I'm going to write here. So here I will write -190, and here I will be writing -119. Okay, that's cool. And yeah, so when John is also done, see, uh, when I receive the John, then I will do the flag hosting. So I will make one broadcast that will be flag. Okay, so here I will make the broadcast. That's the flag broadcast. I'll click OK, and I will remove all of this. Now let's come on our flag sprite. I think you all upload the sprites. Okay. So when this happens, when you receive the flag broadcast, so initially you will hide that, right? So I'm hiding it. And now I will receive the broadcast. When I receive flag, I'm going to show that. Let me show the flag. Okay, so it will be somewhere here. And when it happens, then I want the blue sky has to be there. Okay, so I'll go to flag. I'll go to looks, and I will take switch backdrop to blue sky. And the position, just give the position to your flag, this position. So you will give, go to X and Y. So this will be the position of your flag. Now you will just move your sprites again to its position. So let's come to Hazel sprite, and I will say that in the event when I receive flag, it will glide back here. Okay, so I'm just going to motion, and I will take glide block. So first you will move your sprite. Suppose this is my Hazel. So first I move my sprite here, then I took the glide block. Okay. If you take that glide block before, then there is no use, because when I move my sprite, it will take X and Y position. Okay. And that current X and current Y, it's showing here. Now, what next step is, you will hold your Toby sprite. You're just moving it here. Okay. And the same thing you will do, like when I receive flag, you will glide your sprite. So glide X and Y. Okay, like that way. Now the next is the John. So the same you will do for John is when I receive flag, John is already standing at its position. You will glide. Oh, so this is go to. I will take glide. Let's check this much, that is it fine or not. So, and just let me know if everyone has made this much. Please comment. Like, let's run this. See. Freedom, strength, pride, and they all here. ठीक है, जॉन जो है उसको मुझे थोड़ा सा कम करना है, लाइक इट शुड बी लाइक हेजल, तो उसको आई एम जस्ट गिविंग 10 steps and is repeating for 10 times. That's it. ठीक है. Now what next? The next part is I want my flag to be host. Like I want flag hosting should be here. So what the next step is, I want that it will be changing the costume and giving number of time, like there is a gap between the time. So simply it's a very simple thing. Forever this is going to happen, so I'm just taking forever, and I will go to looks. I will take this, and I'm selecting this. I will duplicate this. This should be flag 2. I will duplicate these two blocks again. So this should be flag 3. This should be flag 4. I will duplicate one more. This should be flag 5. Now I will give the wait block in between. So this should be 0.2 seconds. I'll do duplicate of the wait block only. So I'm just putting it here. I'm putting it here. I'm putting it here. I'm putting it here. See how amazing it looks like. See? Yeah, that's so nice. And now I will complete my sentence. Like initially, I told you that these all three sprites are indicating a good message. So freedom in the mind. So in the mind, you will have to make the individual sprite. So I will make 4 more individual sprites as a text. Okay. So I'm just coming here, and I will write a text in the mind. Let me move this. So let me arrange this properly. It's fine, but it's very big. Let me make it smaller. Eh, Let me do undo. Okay, I think this is fine. This is fine. So this is fine. In the mind is the one message. I think messages you should put here, and इसको आप ऐसे arrange कर सकते हो. Okay. Now the next message you will write, the next in the words, strength in the words. Okay, that we need to complete. So I will write in the words, and I'm just moving it here. So this, I'm just putting it here. Okay. And the next is, you'll come over here. You can change color accordingly. In our souls, pride in our souls. So I'm just writing. Pride is already given in our souls. So in our souls, acha, I'm just changing the color for this. This is visible, properly visible. Okay. And for this one, let's change the color. Is it visible? No, it's not visible. But no, I don't want red color. I can take this color. 9. No, this is fine. But this is all matches each other. This is fine. Okay, this is cool. Okay, so freedom in the mind, strength in the words, pride in our souls. And the next one is to the ending. If you have seen that, like, let's salute our country on Independence Day. So that also we have to write. I'll check this. Let's salute our country on stay. Ta-ding. So let's salute our country on Independence Day. That's the next thing that we need to write. And now I'm just moving it like this way. Okay. So I'm just hiding it for a while. And now what next is? First of all, once this is done, the all thing is done, the flags. So let's come on to the flag one. And when I receive flag, then this in the mind, in the word, in the souls, everything will appear. So that's what I'm going to do is like when I receive flag, uh, when green flag click, I want to hide them all. When I receive flag, I will show to the position. And now forever, not forever, for number of times. Yeah, for number of times it will glide here. So I'm just moving it and then taking the glide block. Then here, taking the glide block. Then here, back, taking the glide block. Back, taking the glide block. See if this happens, how it looks like. See, it looks like this. Okay, the same thing I'm going to do with this. So I'm just copying this to Sprite 2 and also this thing. So this is fine. Now you need to change go to. So for Sprite 2, it's minus 26 and minus 11. So I will write minus 26 and here I will write minus 11. Now for the glide, I'm just moving it here. It's 34 and minus 18. So I'm writing 34 minus 18. Now moving here, it's 108 and minus 19. And now here is 32 and minus 21. And here it's minus 27 and minus 11. I changed X and Y position while doing the glide. Then again, I will do this for Sprite 3, the same part. I come over here initially height show, but what is the position? It's -4 and -118. So I will write -4 and here -118. Now I will glide this here. It's 64 and here it will be -120. Now moving here, it's 139 and -120. It's 88 and it's -120 and it's 13 and it's -116. Got it? After this, like once this is done, I will make one broadcast. So I'm just making the one broadcast, and this broadcast is for the message. Like here I have, okay. So let's salute. So I'm just making a message end. Uh, 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 what I will write? I will write India. Okay. I wrote the message India, and when I receive India, then I want that everything should go on from the screen. Like everything, like there will be no John, Toby, everything. So what I want is like when I receive India, I want to hide the sprite. Okay. And the same, I will do copy paste. Here, where is it? Here it is. Now here I will do copy paste. So let's see. Yes, here it is. Here also. Here it is. Here. Here it is. Here. I think here it is. Okay. Now let's see. Let's run this. Let me stop. First thing is when green flag click, I don't want this to show. Okay, and let's see. Let me give the position. So I can give this here a position, I think. This is my flag. Let me show the flag. So I'm actually giving the position. Okay. So this will be the flag position. This will be my position and this is the India. Okay, that's cool. So let me go this also. What I want is that when I receive India, then it will switch costume, not switch costume, it will switch backdrop to India. Okay, and it will glide here and show to already hai, so we don't need to do anything. And now here, when I receive flag, then you are, this should be hide. You are going to show at the position that will be go to X and Y. I think it's fine. Now, what is the main thing I will do is the sound. So I have national anthem sound. I will simply download this, and if you don't have, then I will give you the link in the description. You can take that. Okay, just wait. So I'm just sending you all the national anthem one. Mm, Let me open. Okay, for that I need to open YouTube. Just wait. Till then, let me check how many of you has done this. Okay, you are making. That's great. Mm, Till then, let me check how many of you has done this. Okay, you are making. That's great. Yeah, let me send you all a link of. So I have sent you all the audio link. Okay, let me stop share. Let me share it again. So here in the library, I have to take the sound. So I will upload the sound that I have. You can also download the sound and upload it. And I'm just putting it here. So when green flag clicked, I'm just putting it here also. Like on this, it's fine. Play sound national anthem. And I think my project is ready. 1, 2. Okay, let me hide this girl also. So initially it has to show. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Are you guys ready? Please write yes if you're ready. And ready, steady, go. Hmm, Okay, so initially you will hide when flag comes. No, when India comes, we will show. Okay, let's start again. Ooh, happy Independence Day, all of you. And to you, to your family, to the whole nation. And it looks so amazing. See, wow, that's amazing. So let me give you a brief again. Okay, I don't want this to stop. So let me brief you like that only. The very first thing is you took three sprites. One is the Hazel, second is the Toby, third is the Joan. So you will give, like, you change the costume for the Hazel and you make Hazel walk, Toby walk, John walk. When it's all done, then the costume, then the backdrop is going to change, and the quotation is going to complete like everything, for that word, like freedom in the mind, strength in the words, and pride in our soul. So that you need to complete. And after that, you have the flag that's you need to host. So the flag hosting will be there. And after the national anthem, we end up with this quotation, and it seems really good. So, yeah, everyone, again, happy Independence Day. Enjoy your project. And you may have asked the questions in your classrooms by the teachers related to Independence Day and related to the class, what we have done. So, those students are answering about the question, they will get something. And the viewers, those are watching us, please send us your answers on the like whatever you made, like what color you use and what sprites you use. You can take different sprites. As I always told you, that whenever you are sending us something and you are very active to our live session, then definitely you will get gift hampers. So do not miss your surprising gifts, because we have all. And everyone, just keep walking like this and learn new things. So for now, bye bye. We'll